Something extraordinary happened at the North Goal today. Ceramic slats spreading fast, a new compression ring section arriving on site, the VIP ring revealing its first door, and the intermediate logistic floor getting its concrete pour. Today was one of those days that reminds you why you come back every single time. Let us get into it. Starting at the upper level, Crane TC2 was lifting a U-shaped beam structure into position at the Danny Pardo curve, part of the nucleus finalization phase for the elevator and staircase cores. Meanwhile, TC3 had already placed a new formwork platform at the lateral earlier in the day around 1:30, advancing the base structure toward the south goal. 14 sections of the compression ring are now placed, and while no new box went up today, 3 sections were staged and waiting at the lateral storage area, one of them freshly arrived by trailer. A new pillar, a radial beam, and a transverse connecting beam were also visible and ready, so the next lift sequence is fully prepared. At the third tier, joint sealing was active, with workers filling each gap between the prefabricated seating sections using specialist sealant applied over a flexible backing strip. This is a new phase that has now clearly started in earnest and will work its way around the full bowl. Inside the VIP ring, the first door has been installed on the first floor, a clear sign this phase is moving forward. Walking through the interior, confirmed walls going up across multiple zones, with galvanized steel framing, rock wool insulation, and drywall progressing simultaneously. The lateral section remains the most advanced, followed by the south goal curve. 2 full floors of hospitality space, all being finished from scratch. And before we continue, we are just 8 subscribers away from 1,000. We are right on the edge of that milestone. Hit that button and be the one that gets us there. The standout moment of the day came at the north goal. Ceramic slats have spread dramatically, reaching all the way up to level 45 across a wide section. The single yellow reference slat is now surrounded by rows of blaugrana, yellow and lilac pieces, with the first red slat being placed as filming continued. The right side nucleus was receiving its final sandwich panels at the top, nearly fully enclosed. Progress here today was the most visually striking of the week. At the parking ramp, approximately 1 meter of height remains before the fill reaches the vehicle exit level. Very close now. Back at the tribune, more concrete slabs were placed on the right side nucleus cores, building on the single test slab placed earlier. The intermediate logistic floor between the second and third cantilever at the north goal was receiving its concrete pour, the same phase already completed at the south goal. That is everything for today. Drop a comment below, hit the like button, and if you have not subscribed yet, now is the perfect time. We are 8 away from 1,000, and every single one matters. See you tomorrow.